Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to mark as read all emails in Gmail in a very simple way. If you go to your Gmail account and you can see there is 1322 unread emails. So you cannot do all the time like going to an email and going to see it. You cannot do it all the times. For that I have a very good shortcut. Like just come over into this left upper side and click on all. You can see all 50 conversation on this page are selected, but I have 1494. So select all 1494 items and then simply click on mark as read icon over here. So if you click on that, click OK. After a short time, you can see that your maximum unread emails will be read. So if you just refresh your Gmail, it will take some minutes for that. Keep patience, and after completing this, you will read all the emails into your Gmail. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.